So this question is calculate money in Leetcode bank. So yeah, you this is pretty straightforward, but it's going to be a math problem. So I'm going to just use one of the um, people post. So again, this is the pattern, the sequence. So the first week is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the second week you will start from 2. So and then you do this, for every single week, right? So here's the example: n equal to 4, so sum 1, 2, 3, 4, and then when n equal to 10, you want to sum all of these plus 2, 2, 3, and 4, right? And then based on that, this guy came up with the algorithm, which is a pattern. So the row represent what? N divided by 7, right? And then the column represent the actual starting value, right? So n mod by 7, it's going to be which column are you starting or ending, right? And then for the sum of the x row is equal to the 7 plus sum of x minus sorry, the x minus row, right? And yeah, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, like this is a base. So base you have 28, and then you do this, based on the every single row because it's a multiple of 7. So if you sum off of this, so 2, 3, so this is going to be what? 10, 20, 35, right? Is 35? 10, 20, 35. Yes. And then, yeah, so this is 28, 35, and then you keep adding 7, 7, 7, right? All right, so over here, um, what you need to do is you want to find out how many weeks. So it's 28 weeks. And then 28 times week, because 28 is the base value, right? And then weeks represent how many row, right? So it's going to be this guy. And so this formula, 7 times weeks minus 1 divided by 2 give the extra sum of all previous row. So this might be a tricky part. So we say n times n minus 1 divided by 2 in here, but let's think about this. N times n plus 1 divided by 2. What is this? This is a sum from 1 to n, right? The sum from 1 to n. So how about this? N times n minus 1 divided by 2. This is a sum between n to the, 1 to the n minus 1, right? Like, the only difference is this sign, but other than that, they are the same, right? So once we have this, we can get this extra sum of all the previous row. And then this is 28 times week, how many row, and this is the sum of all previous row. And then this is going to be the current week money. So extra, weeks times extra plus extra times extra plus 1 divided by 2. So this is going to be, in this case, so 28 is the base, right? So this is 35, right? And then what's extra? Extra is 7, right? And then keep going. So this is the extra times week. And then extra times extra plus 1 divided by 2. This is the sum of the extra value. So yeah, this is a lot of math behind it. Like, I cannot explain in one video. And then anyway, I'm going to copy paste my solution. So extra is going to be represent, the column. And then weeks represent the actual, the row, right? So 28 times week plus this guy, so you will get this, total value, and then from 1 to row minus 1, the n minus 1, and then this will get, like this will get to the, the n row based on the extra value, and this will get you to the last row value. Basically, it's like this. Um, Submit. All right, again, time and space is constant. So if it's still confused, just go over this person post and then try to figure it out by yourselves. And this will be pretty much it. All right, see you later. Bye.